Look at this, okay? You see this? This is the normal class that we always use, okay? They're like, oh, next year we'll be on here too. They said it, will be on here. I'm like, okay. Where's my classes? They're not there. See? Okay, cool. I'm like, what the hell? Okay.
They told you like what?
Let
They
me
told you
just check.
that 5 months ago.
Yeah.
Somehow.
Oui?
And then they didn't change anything.
Attends, là, je m'en viens. So, tu vois, c'est comme, oh, I'm gonna go check my portail élève, see what's there, okay? Okay. Oh,
Fuck
Garneau. Garneau. Premier. Nothing. Nothing. GP priorité horaire. Nothing. It's fuck off,
Oh.
bro.
Check September. Okay, you've got nothing.
I've got nothing, bro. I'm not registered to.
Oh, this guy's in doing online school. That means
And then-
that we don't
and
have to
then-
give him an horaire.
Bro,
That's
what the
what it
heck is
means.
this? Innovation? What the hell? Bro, I'm not even at the school. Why do I need a casier, bro? I guess you can take this casier A1270. That's your casier if you want to take it.
Apparently we're gonna have class C. I don't even understand why.
Me neither. Okay, bro, look at this. Période libre, période libre, période libre, journée fériée. What the heck? Résultat scolaire, nothing. It's fuck all. Bro, this is fucking nothing. Okay, so I'm like, looking up here, calendrier, no, Google Drive, no, classroom,
No, look.
maybe that's here.
Look, Simon.
And then I'm like, oh, there's stuff in classroom. You know how you're supposed to have 4 classes?
No, you're
like-
supposed to have 2.
What?
They're
We're in-
quadrimestres.
Oh, we're in a quadrimestre
Instead
now?
of 2 semestres, there's 4 quadrimestres. And you have
Oh.
2 courses.
Oh, okay, well then this is fine then. Okay, so I'm like, okay. There's nothing here, that's fine. This looks fine too. This guy's pretty organized, you know. Nothing wrong with that. I'm like, oh, AV, environnement d'apprentissage virtuel. I'm like, that must be for
No,
me.
that's super old and useless. Nope.
I know. So I go here, I'm like, okay. It's the same shit as this, bro. Just like whack. What's the difference?
Okay, well, go back to Portail.
Okay, it gets better, okay? So I'm like, oh, let's see what classes I have. What the shit is this, bro?
They didn't explain anything to you. You can't
No.
just press on random things and learn yourself.
I know. So then I'm like, okay, these 2 classes, these are the classes I have. But what is this? Like, I'm like, what the hell? That's not my class. What the hell's Pana, bro?
Ça dérange pas si c'est pas ta classe, ça te dit there's nothing here at the moment.
Bro, like, this is one of them
Hey,
that says...
6e année.
Yeah, ça, bro, c'est 6e année, bro. Vu que je refasse ma 6e, ils sont pas satisfaits. What the hell? Where
Okay,
does
we'll
it
go
say?
back to Portail.
Like, what the hell? I don't need this, bro. I don't need... What the hell?
Just fake you're a 6th grade student. Go back to Portail.
Clique pour afficher votre certificat. Oh shit.
Go
Cancel
back to
that.
Portail, bro. Look. Information pour la rentrée. Aucun groupe n'a été assigné à l'élève. Veuillez contacter l'école de fréquentation.
We did. They
So-
put us... Bro, we called them. They sent us straight to voicemail.
So, parce que l'école a fait une erreur, ça doit être l'élève. C'est ça. Quand les enseignants ils veulent dire des choses aux élèves, quand l'école veut dire de l'info aux élèves, ils vont appeler les parents. Mais quand il y a un problème que l'école a fait, they're not gonna tell the parents. Just the kid.
Aucun CA a été assigné à notre...
Oh, that's really important. That's
Bro,
so important.
2e semestre, I need a bus, bro. Or not. No, actually, j'ai même pas. J'ai besoin d'une voiture. How the heck am I... They're not just gonna send a bus to Elmer, bro. That's like a 45-minute bus ride.
You're gonna have to take OC Transpo, bro.
Ah, bro, I'm in Quebec, so there's no OC transport.
What?
Yeah, bro. They only have the STO, I think that's what it's called.
Same thing.
Yeah, I know, but I don't want to have to do... Bro, you know how many buses? I'm going to have to take the Quebec bus that goes to Ontario, then the Ontario bus that goes to the train station, take the shitty O-train that's probably going to break down while I'm going there, and then take a one that goes through Innis, and then finally get... And then have to do like 7 transfers just to get the Gallon.
What do you mean, bro? The O-train is perfectly safe.
Let's see. Oh, it's actually there's no bad images of it.
Wait. There was literally a picture set a day without issues. 0 days in a row without any issues.
Is that really what that stands for?
Yeah.
Bro, this shit is
0
everywhere.
days in a row without any issues.
Bro, those signs are everywhere, bro.
Oh my god. You know the good thing about this generation is that they're memers.
Bro, I didn't even know this. 0 days.
Days in a row without any.
Bro, I was wondering why it was called the O train, bro. It sounds so weird.
0 train, 0
It's the
success.
0 days. It's the 0 days in a row without issues, bro.
Oh, okay. I gotta
should
go
call
in the
it-
shower.
Bro, they're gonna call it the No train. What the hell is this? Does this look safe to you, bro?
Yeah.
Greenboro. Is
It
getting-
looks safe as
Bro, it's Greenboro. Greenboro is getting fucked, bro. What the hell is it?
All the roads are being fixed. There's
Oh, wait,
construction workers everywhere. You know, people are there's like construction workers like at every corner fixing like trottoirs and shit, but it takes a week
Yeah.
because they're all busy digging for the. I gotta go.
I know, but wait, what was there? What the hell are you doing in the train or the bus, bro? What is this?
Delivering pizza.
What the hell is this? Why did somebody take a picture of
Vibrator. Look, the vibrators.
it? Where?
Up on the left. The big V.
The vibrators.
The
Punk.
vibrator.
Bro.
1978.
Why does this say OC Transpo 29 review buses 150 Saint Laurent Street? Oh no, phone number. And it's just a picture of a cop in the train.
Then
bro.
look at the bottom right. There's literally caution ribbons.
What the?
No. Go
Sexy.
back, bro. Press back on the thing you pressed with the police or whatever. I don't know.
The random
Look.
cop.
Look right under on the right, under Seymour.
What the
That doesn't
fuck?
look safe, bro.
Somebody's in the zone, dude.
Oh, it's because he's not wearing a mask. They have a zone specifically.
That doesn't do shit, dude. That doesn't do
Bro,
what?
the virus it travels by air. Hey, look, we put a barrier of flexible material. Virus be gone.
What the hell? Oh yeah, sure. This is the TTC. It's not even Ottawa, bro. This is fucking Toronto. Yeah, they're in every single bus, bro. What the? It doesn't do whack. Look at the bus.
So dirty, bro.
What the fuck?
Wait, did you really look up what a train fuck?
Yeah.
With that you fucking search history, bro.
This is a school account too, bro. Okay. Wait a second. We gotta find the O tunnel. Oh no, that does not sound safe. Oh no. Railway incident in the Ottawa area.